rain down in the valley. It's a mournful midnight.